Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and today we're going to talk about regrets. Regrets are things that you wanted to do, but in the end you did not do them, and you feel kind of upset about that fact. Now, there are many ways to express regret in English, but we'll practice with two ways today. One way to express regret in English is to say, I wish that, plus the past perfect. Another way to express regret is to say, if only, plus the past perfect. If you remember from my last video, if only just has a little bit of a stronger feeling to it, so keep that in mind when using if only. Let's practice with some examples. I wish that I had spent more time with my friends when they were in town. What does that mean? This means that I wanted to spend more time with my friends, but in the end, I did not. And I feel upset about that. I'm not happy about that. I can also say, if only I had spent more time with my friends. Again, this is a little bit of a stronger feeling. I am extremely upset by the fact that I did not spend more time with my friends. Now, I know this is kind of a negative topic, so it's hard to practice with this, but leave some of your regrets, even if they're small, in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and let us know what grammar points you would like to learn about next. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.